Have I got a great before and after for you? Remember that lawyer cabinet that we picked up, about 6 weeks ago? David and Daniel brought it in, and we decided to take the steel, and you really can't tell right here, but the handles are actually brass. And look at the restoring, then how wonderful it came out. The team that we used did an amazing job and redid the front. We kept the back because the numbers are so cool, but redid the front and did the drawers, hand sanded, and really cleaned each one individually. It is a thing of beauty, and it's now in the store, and that original brass finish and everything just looks amazing. It is now available, and I tell you, we really don't have these come around very often. It is an absolute stunner.